Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Oman to provide 10,000 jobs in first 3 months of 2021. Oman provided almost 10,000 jobs during the first quarter of the current year. 6 PTI MBAs expelled from NA 249 over Code of Conduct breach. The Election Commission official ordered 6 MPAs of the PTI to leave NA 249 constituency over violation of the Code of Conduct during the by-election. Pakistan's foreign reserves to rise over $23 billion. The State Bank of Pakistan's foreign exchange reserves were recorded at $16.42 billion during the week ending on 23rd April, showing an increase of $384 million. No fresh currency note on Eid al-Fitr. Amid rising cases of the novel coronavirus across the country, the State Bank of Pakistan has decided not to issue fresh currency note for Eid al-Fitr. Rupee strengthens against US dollar. The Pakistani rupee appreciated 26 paisas against the United States dollar in the interbank currency market. NCOC recommends ban on inbound flights from 5th May to curb coronavirus risk. The National Command and Operations Center recommended a ban on inbound flights to Pakistan from 5th May to 20th May amid the country's worsening coronavirus situation. Stay home, stay safe. NCOC announces 6-day Eid holidays amid COVID surge. National Command and Operations Center announced 6-day Eid holidays in the country amid COVID surge, besides also adopting a stay home, stay safe strategy. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.